In this lesson, we'll review and identifying the error problem. This is part of the writing multiple choice. We're on page 838, question 18. The survey showed that most shoppers who drive prefer the mall more than downtown stores simply because finding parking is less difficult at the mall. So we have to find the error, and again, I always recommend trying to think the correct version to reinforce the error, the correct answer. So the survey showed that. Is there anything wrong with this? Can we correct it? The tense is correct. The survey showed that. Again, whether that is needed is not really tested, but we do need the that. You wouldn't just say the survey showed most. It showed that or stated that. Who drive the mall? Who drive prefer the mall more than downtown stores? So again, not sure about this. Simply because this is definitely right. There's no way we could correct this. Finding parking is less difficult at the mall. We're comparing parking to two different spots, and it's less difficult. This looks correct. I think a lot of students are inclined to pick E here, but this is probably one of the toughest errors. It's called the idiomatic error, and this is the one time where you have to kind of trust your instincts. Idiomatic phrases are just phrases of speech or vernacular, and there's no way you could possibly remember every possible phrase. So if you're ever unsure whether a phrase is correct, what I tell students is use the verb. You can use a different form of the verb and test it in your head with a different sentence. So we're really down, I think, to B, between B and E here, and we have the verb prefer. Let's make up a sentence with the verb prefer, any verb. Any sentence would prefer. So what if I said in a nationwide taste test, more people preferred Coke more than Pepsi? Is that right? Hopefully you can recognize this is not right. You don't prefer something more than the other. Now, you may not know what the correct version is, but hopefully you could recognize that more than is wrong. The answer here is B, and by the way, the correct preposition here is over. You prefer something over another. Tough question, but trust your instincts. These idiomatic errors, I think, are the toughest for most students because you don't have a tangible rule. All right, thanks for watching. See you next time.